Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare this pocket. As you can see, the pocket of these senator wear. All right, I'm going to teach you step by step and give you the easiest method you will ever see, okay, on social media, or you ever see anywhere. All right, I'm going to give you the simplest one. So watch this video to the end. If this is what you're looking for, please sit back and watch it to the end. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe, like, and please share this video with others. All right, without further ado, let's go straight to the cutting and sewing of this pocket. All right, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of paper gum stay. This paper gum stay, you can choose to make use of color stay, but I'm using gum stay, paper gum stay for this tutorial. Now all you just need to do is, the length is 4 3/4, all right, and then the width is 2.5. the width of the pocket, each of them is 2.5, and there are 4 pockets. Look at the picture correctly, you see that there are 4 pockets, 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. All right, and so don't forget there are 4 gum stay, okay, 4 gum stay there. And so since we are through with this, we'll cut let's now cut the patch, that is the pocket cover. All right, and for the pocket cover, the width, all right, the width of the pocket cover, all right, we'll have to cut a little bit more than the width of the pocket. So if the width of the pocket is 2.5, what you cut is, it's best you cut 2 3/4. 2 3/4 will be the best width for the pocket flap or pocket cover, right? 2 3/4. And so, but the length is, use your own discretion for the length. You might want the length to be more, you might want the length to be less. And so we also cut 4 of it, okay, we'll cut 4 of it. As you can see here, I only cut 2 down, and so I use that 2 piece to trace the other 2, making it 4 piece of gum stay. Like I said, you can use a color stay for this. My people, if this video have been of help to you, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and for those that have been with me, thank you for being there. All right, please don't forget to share this video with others, and also give this video a thumbs up. All right, so after cutting this 4 piece of gum stay, you can keep it aside. Make sure it is straight. All the lengths or the width are same, all right, and they are straight. All right, this is the fabric was going to use, what I've been using, and then you can see this is the inside, okay, this is the inside, this is not the real side of the fabric. All right, so we place hem stay. All right, and putting hem stay makes it more beautiful, okay, smooth and beautiful. If you look the other side of it, you see that it is smooth. In short, it is beautiful, and it's the texture is actually smooth. All right, so I always encourage that you put hem stay, all right, before you apply your color stay or your gum stay. It gives it a nice touch. All right, so this is what you do to the 4, all right, the 4 pockets. All right, you just place the 4 pockets. That's what you see me do here. All right, 4 of it. This is the second one. All right, you know, the importance of ironing cannot be overemphasized, because ironing actually makes our work smooth and easy. In short, without ironing, it's actually difficult, okay, for you to have a nice outfit at the end of your sewing. All right, go ahead to make the 4 pockets. All right, don't forget, the first 2 I did were with hemstay. All right, yeah, with hemstay I place hemstay, and the other I did not put hemstay. You will see that at the end there will be difference. Okay, you see the difference, that the one that has hemstay and the one that does not have hemstay gum or glued to it. All right, do well to cut it, giving allowance for folding on both sides, the upper sides and the downside of your pocket. All right, so having done that, we'll make use of one. Now after I'm through with this one, you can use this the way you sew this. That's the way, sorry, the way you prepare this, that's the way you also prepare the rest. And so you fold down, okay, fold down and make sure you iron. And if you have hemstay, and make sure you put hemstay to make it glued and solid. Okay, make it glued and solid. All right, continue. All right, and so don't forget to iron. All right, you see, practicing every day makes you perfect. All right, so if you are not perfect yet, just continue. Don't give up, keep on trying. All right, you see that you become perfect in this field. All right, do not give up on yourself. You can actually do it. So iron thoroughly and carefully. All right, making all the parts smooth. All right, you can drop a comment at the comment section. You can tell me which of the style. You can screenshot the style and send it to me. All right, and do not forget, you can share ideas with me on the comment section. How this video have been of help to you, you can share it there. All right, if there are things you want me to work on, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to answer, or try as much as possible to follow up with the request that you place on the chat section. All right, so please, very soon I'll open my WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp link. Soon I'll put my WhatsApp link so that it will help for us to communicate better. All right, do well to fold. You know, I folded it twice, and then I ironed. Okay, make use of your pressing wood to press it. As you can see, look at it, beautiful, beautiful, and all the corners are well ironed. And make sure you iron it. Make use of a pressing wood to press it. Then we're through with one side. So the same thing you did to that pocket, that's what you do to the other pocket. All right, this is the wrong side of the fabric. Make sure it's the wrong side. And so we are going to cut the flap or the pocket cover, okay, for the pockets. And so we bring out one of the pocket cover and we iron them. Okay, like I said, you can make use of your hemstay. It gives it a perfect look at the end. At the right side, give it a perfect look. Okay, because of tutorial sake and timing, I did not place fusing or hemstay into it. I just ironed it directly. All right, so do well to give allowance. Okay, on the 4 sides, give allowance. Don't forget that the allowance on the downside, it should be more because we are folding it into 2. It should be more. So fold one side and then apply stay into it to be glued, and then on the other side do well to fold as well. Okay, fold and then iron as seen. If this video has been of help to you, please don't forget to click on like, your thumbs up. You're new to my channel, click on subscribe. Okay, there are other beautiful videos that I've done. Okay, simple how to cut this shirt is also in the description section. How to cut this senator wear is in the description section. Do well to visit it and click on it. All right, fold it now. You see the extra part that I told you to leave, fold it, and then you iron properly. Make use of your pressing wood to give it a fit and where the bumper, the outlook. Okay, fold correctly. Make sure all parts are equal, they are in alignment. The down part is in alignment with the front part. Okay, and not one bulging out, the other is hidden. All right, turn it the other way around and then cut the excess. Take your scissors to cut the excess out of it, and then you fold. Alright, as you can see, infuse hem stay or hemming gum into it, and then you iron properly. Cover it and then iron properly. All right, now because it is not well aligned, I have to pull it out again. Make sure it's aligned. It aligned with the former or the down parts. It's aligned, and then you place properly and iron. All right. Thank you for watching this video. All right, what you did to this, please do it to the other three, and then your pocket is ready. All right, please do not forget to click on subscribe and share this video with others. All right, I really want to hear from you. Drop in your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.